why you need to learn differentiation. Okay, by learning differentiation, you can find the gradient function, right?
Yeah. So
Yeah.
like the matrix.
Then you can find the gradient at any point, right?
Yeah.
So for integration, there is a use for that. Okay, so this is your y equals to x squared. So I'm going to get this over. Okay, so this is your y equals to x squared. Okay, so just now we had a question is integrate 0 to 1.
Yeah.
8. No, I shouldn't. No, this is not the case. I should. Okay, look at the question just now. The question is integrate from. Actually, it's 2x. Just now is 2x.
Yeah.
Okay, not x squared. So I'm not supposed to draw the x squared. I'm supposed to draw the 2x.
And you're getting 2x the whole time.
Yes. Okay, so this is y equals to x. So you integrate from 0 to 1, 2x. The meaning, so basically the meaning of this integral versus the calculation. That part is the calculation. I want to know calculation and meaning. Okay, so for calculation is you integrate 2x and you get what? You get x squared, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you solve it. You put in a 1, you get 1 square. You put in a 0, you get 0 square in between, minus. So this is the result. This is the answer. Okay? Okay, so this part is the calculation. Okay? But calculation is calculation. You don't know what's the meaning. Right? It's just like differentiation. I ask you to differentiate something, you know how to differentiate, but that's only the calculation part. But what's the meaning in real life? So I'm going to talk about the meaning in real life for this now. So the meaning of this integral is from 0 to 1. So from 0 to 1, so it's here. Okay? If you integrate from 0 to 1 of 2x with respect to 2x with respect to dx, what it means is you want to find the area under this curve.
Oh.
Okay,
Wait.
so let's do it without using the integral. This is 2, this is 1, so this is a triangle, so half times base times height. So it's half times base is 1, the height is 2, so you end up with 1 cm or 1 unit square. 1 unit square compared to the calculation, same thing. Okay, so when you integrate a function with lower and upper limit, basically you are finding the area of area under the curve, yeah.
The graph.
Under the 2x curve. Area under the 2x function from 0 to 1. Okay? So this is the meaning of this integral. This one is the calculation part.
Okay.
Okay? So in this case, they both give you the 1 unit square, right?
Like sometimes they ask for like area under the graph.
Yep, area under the graph, yeah.
So you can use integration.
Yes. If no, it really depends whether which one is easier. If you can use the normal one half times base times height to solve, you don't go and use integral.
Yeah.
You don't act cool and use integral because it's just like if you can do term by term, you don't go and do chain rule and product rule. Okay? So there is a very high chance you kill yourself. You try to do stun. I mean you can just walk normally, right? You don't go and do stun, you know. Okay? So